Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today I'm going to do something really simple but really delicious. I'm going to show you how to make buttermilk pancakes. And actually that was a total lie, because I'm not using buttermilk, I'm using whey. And the reason I'm using whey is because I've been making a lot of cheese and I've got gallons of this stuff. Anyway, this is a good way to use up whey. Yes. I'll stop that now. So if you enjoy this video, give it a like, share, subscribe, all that malarkey. And yeah, breakfast time. Let's get on with it. Okay, ingredients for the pancakes. I've got 175 grams of self-raising flour, 300 ml of whey or buttermilk, or a mix of those liquids and ordinary milk, about half and half if you like. 1 egg, a tablespoon of caster sugar, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and also some butter to fry them in. I'm using spreadable butter because it's got a higher smoke point than regular butter. Okay, we need to make up the batter, so I'm going to add the caster sugar to the flour along with the salt and the bicarb. This makes it rise and become wonderful and fluffy. Just mix those together, then add the egg and the liquid and whisk it all together till we get a nice smooth batter. I'm melting some butter on low heat in this little pan, and I've found this is the right size pan for me. I've tried using a bigger pan and doing 2 or 3 at a time using ring moulds, but they don't work, they leak, and it ends up quite messy. I've also got the oven on low heat to keep the pancakes warm as I cook them. So here we go, some batter. First pancake is always a disaster and the cook gets it. Okay, it's starting to set around the edges, but the middle's still quite runny, so we need to wait a bit for that to be less runny, then we turn it over. Okay, there's the first one. I'll put that in the oven a bit. Got another blob of butter in the pan, that's nice and melted, so more batter. Just swizz it round to get it kind of even. Alright, this is number 2, looking pretty good, so turn that. That's more golden, that's pretty nice. And I think I'll probably manage to make 5 or 6 pancakes, so come back in a bit. Right, this is the final one, actually number 6. Might be a bit thin, but well, I can't wait to get stuck into these. So we're ready to assemble our pancakes, and the question is, shall we have a short stack or the full stack? Look at that, possibly a bit too much. Let's have short one, no, let's have 4, 2 each. So I've got a big dollop of soured cream on there, and then a generous drizzle of honey, because I can't afford maple syrup, and a sprinkling of healthy stuff, blueberries. You can use any kind of berries or soft fruit, or bacon or strawberry jam or bacon. Okay, breakfast! This is KeefCooks in her 19th.
It's been a bit of a week, so yeah. I've been in bed and he's cooked up. Oh, isn't that just gorgeous?
Yeah, you have to eat it though.
I know. So, do they know this has been our new Sunday breakfast since you made?
No.
Yeah, he made butter. So from the butter he got buttercream.
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk. And one week he made the pancakes with buttermilk, and they were very, very nice with all the trimmings. My God! And then the next week he didn't make them with the buttermilk. He made them with the whey, and I liked those even better. because they were light. So you've got choice of rich or light. Make cheese, people. Make butter. It's just the most blissful Sunday breakfast.
Yep.
So yeah, definitely worth getting out of bed for.
There you go. So, kippers on Saturday.
And these outrageous pancakes on Sunday.
Yeah.
God bless Canada.
Canadian?
Right, well, it's supposed to be with. Is it Canadian with honey or is it American with syrup?
Canadian would be maple syrup.
That's what I meant.
Because it grows on trees over there. But
Yeah.
costs a fortune over here.
No, I'm not awake yet. So is this blueberry pancakes? I would say was American, yeah.
I would not go there.
No. Well, I love maple syrup. But yeah, this is nice. Because that's sugar syrup, isn't it?
No, it's honey.
Is that honey? See, taste buds aren't awake, so you can't take my word for anything. But yeah,
So take my word for it. They're fantastic. Make them.
yeah. Sharp blueberries, squidgy comfortable dough, sweet syrup. Shall I stop talking and wave?
Yeah. So, thanks for watching and see you next time.
Thank you, Billy.
You're welcome.